Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
My name's Andrew. I'm a software engineer at Anova Culinary, and right now I work on the app and all the software for this beautiful product. It's our Anova Precision Oven. It is a combination convection and steam oven. So at the beginning of the day, it is a super precise convection oven. So you guys might be familiar with these countertop convection ovens, or sometimes called like toaster ovens at home. This is the most precise version of that you can find. On top of that, we add the functions of being able to introduce steam to the oven. So what that allows you to do is to keep food moist and then also crisp it. So if you take a look in the oven, we have a pretty good example of this, which is a loaf of bread. At most bakeries, the way they're going to cook that loaf of bread is they're going to steam it for about 20 minutes, and then they're going to hit it with really hot, dry heat for 10 minutes to get a nice crust. So that's what we're bringing to home cooks now with this oven, is the ability to do that to bread and to a bunch of other things for instance, fish, like you make the best salmon you've ever had, chicken, like the best chicken you've had. And the way this works is because, so a normal dry oven, the issue is that the moisture is just evaporating out of your food. With steam, we're able to saturate the air inside the oven, and air can only hold so much water. So that air inside the oven will become saturated, and then the moisture inside your food that would normally evaporate has nowhere to evaporate to. So it's stuck in your food when there's the humidity present. And because of that, the food's going to stay moist while it's cooking. And then at the end of it, you can turn off that steam, hit it with a nice dry convection heat, and you've got a beautiful, juicy, whatever it is, steak or chicken with a nice crust. And so that's kind of the magic behind this oven. We think it's a revolution in the way people are going to cook in their home, and we're super excited about it.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.